This video is your step-by-step guide to snagging your perfect eXp sponsor. I'm sharing insider tips that will flip your perspective, things you definitely need to know. What's good? I'm Doug Smart, part of a team that did over $3.5 billion in sales last year, and this video is our third video to help you make the best sponsor choice for you. It's time to scout the perfect eXp sponsor tailored just for you. Number 1, aligning goals. Think of snagging the right eXp sponsor as teaming up for an epic adventure. You're on the hunt for a sponsor and Upline whose dreams and schemes match yours. You're after someone who packs the kind of value that catapults your goals towards success. Kick things off by mapping your ambitions and what matters most to you. Then pinpoint the kind of support that'll turbocharge your journey to the top. Unsure about what support you need? Now's the perfect moment to peek at what's on offer from various sponsors. Alright, so the search begins. Kicking your quest for the ultimate eXp sponsor is as easy as hitting up Google. Spot a sponsor with zero web footprint? That's a red flag. Top-notch sponsors are super organizers, including their websites. They're primed to propel agents towards greatness. So jump on in and search Google for eXp Realty sponsor. Don't just stop at page 1. Dig deeper to uncover the diverse buffet of sponsor goodies. Scribble down the goods on what each sponsor brings to the party, and zoom in on those who seem likely to bring the value you most desire. Non-local sponsor. Of course, you might be thinking you want a local sponsor. I'd suggest a different path and not go that route. Local agents are vying for the same listings and buyers as you, making it tough for them to share their A-game strategies with someone on their turf. eXp Realty is all about bursting borders and fostering a global support system. It's all about tapping into a sponsor who's not eyeing your market slice, but still cheers for your wins like a proud coach from the sidelines. Take advantage of choosing a non-local agent sponsor. Unavailable sponsors. Heads up, not every sponsor is open for new signups. Makes sense, right? If a sponsor's dance card is full, better they bow out gracefully than spread themselves too thin. It's all about quality, not quantity. Take my scenario. Mike Sherrard of the Wolfpack is my eXp sponsor. Mike is the #1 attractor at eXp of agent sponsors. Thus, he's leading the pack in attraction agents, meaning his focus shifted from taking on newbies to concentrating on empowering his full downline. But here's a pro tip. Choose an agent in Mike's downline, like us at Smart Agent Alliance, to be a Wolfpack member. Soak up all that Wolfpack wisdom and get our personal attention as well. Alright, you've got your downline of potential eXp sponsors. Time to grim up, lock in some chat time, and arm yourself with all the questions you want answered as well. Here's a hit list to get you rolling. Hit them with any brain busters about goodies they brag about online. Dig into how clingy they are, like what's their level of ongoing support and commitment. Are they going to be there when you hit a rough patch? Quiz them on their value proposition. Think systems, trainings, virtual hangouts, gadgets, guidance, and all the ways they stoke their team spirit. Eyeing the prize on roping in your downline someday? Prod them about how they back up and support those ambitions. What's the game plan for growth? And how do they plan to keep the learning and opportunities flowing? Beware of promises. Tempted by those making sky-high promises? Pump the brakes a bit. Make sure they're not all talk. The proof's in the pudding, and in this case, the testimonials. Scoop up stories from other agents who've walked the path before you. Agent interviews. Don't stop there. Chat up the current and ex-agent crowd to get the real scoop on what's cooking with the sponsor. The Upline. In choosing your eXp sponsor, don't forget the mighty Upline above them. Whether you choose a solo sponsor or team, dedicated or not, all sponsors are just the tip of the 7-layer line of sponsors. Keep those eyes peeled. Time to find out who's got your potential sponsors back. Do a little detective work, drop them a line. They'll be rooting for you big time. Think of them as bonus goodies to your sponsor value. Making the right choice. By now, you should have your eye on a prize package eXp sponsor. Have you also chatted up potential eXp sponsors? Cool. Now hit that pause button and mull it over. Mull over your options, weigh who's bringing their A game for you, aim for sponsors eager to pump up your career. You'll not just be picking any eXp sponsor, you're scouting for the MVP of your real estate saga. Think big picture, because this choice is about hitching your wagon to a star that'll rocket you to real estate glory. You don't want just a good eXp sponsor, you want the best eXp sponsor for you. Not choosing. Finding and choosing your sponsor should be the first task to joining eXp. But if you don't find your sponsor, eXp Realty has your back with a mystery sponsor that they will assign to you. Rolling the dice on your sponsor match? Might as well toss your fate to the wind. Alright. Lastly, we got changing sponsors. Picking your eXp sponsor isn't just another decision, it's a game changer for your career. Found the perfect match? You're on the fast track to success. But what if your sponsor pick starts feeling like a mismatch? Feeling sponsor regret? There's no easy switch sponsor button. The only way to change sponsors is to take a 6-month eXp vacation. Yep, you gotta quit eXp, sit tight for half a year, and then come back to pick your new sponsor dream team. Sure, it's a hassle, but some agents take the plunge because getting the right sponsor is like striking gold in this biz. Choose wisely, or you might just be eyeing a 6-month timeout. Choosing the right eXp sponsor is a game changer for your real estate hustle. The perfect eXp sponsor does wonders, boosts your learning, turbocharges your growth, and helps fill up your bank account. They're not just a helping hand, they're your career rocket fuel. If you're looking for a great eXp sponsor, I'm with the Wolfpack sponsor team, and we offer value that no one else in the real estate industry is offering, and it's totally free. Learn more at our website, smartagentalliance.com. That link is also in the description below. Here are the videos we did to completely inform you about everything that is super important to know about eXp sponsors, and also other videos about eXp and our sponsor team, the Wolfpack. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.